That's how you like your horsey? Is it fun? Yeah? What do you think, Daddy? Daddy's at the thrift store. Wow. Can you get down, Toma? Come on, get down. You too scared to get down? You want Daddy help you get down? Will Mommy help you get down? Hey, can Daddy help you get down? He push you away. Good job. Oh, be careful. Good. Can you say bye-bye?